Hello and welcome to All You Need to Know About a Square by me, Ryan Chair. What is a square? Well, the basic definition of a square is a four-sided regular polygon with all sides equal and all interior angles at 90 degrees. For a quick image, there's a basic square. All sides equal, then all four interior angles are 90 degrees. That's how you know it is a square. Here's a 3D example of a square. I chose a square watermelon, as you can obviously see. That's my reference square. Remember that. Alright. Properties. Properties of a square. Define perimeter. Simply all four sides, x plus x plus x plus x equals the perimeter. Or 4 times x, since x will be the same for every single side. Area times one side by the other, since both sides would be the same, it should be x times x. As I said before, sides and length are equal. Opposite angles and sides of a square are congruent. Opposite sides of a square are parallel too. Going back, where's my mouse? Come on. There we go. See? Opposite sides are all parallel. All sides are equal. All of the interior angles, are 90 degrees. The equation for the length of a diagonal, which is this one middle line, ignore this for right now, just this one middle line. To find that diagonal, you simply take the length of one side and multiply it by the square root of 2. And if we have the x inside that square, that inside angle of the x of the square will be 90 degrees. Right, moving on. More properties. Square has two pairs of parallel sides. Opposite sides are congruent. Consecutive angles are congruent. Consecutive angles are supplementary. Opposite sides are parallel. All sides are congruent. 4 right angles. Diagonals are perpendicular. Diagonals bisect the angles. Diagonals are congruent. Diagonals bisect each other. All those are characteristics of a square. Hold on, go back to my reference. Come on. Alright. See? Both sides are parallel. Or all sides are parallel. All has 4 angles. Perpendicular, opposite. Got the middle square. Diagonals are perpendicular. Let's load. There we go. Bisect each other. Proving this awesomely drawn line. They're both congruent. Yep, those are the characteristics of a square. Here we have a Venn diagram. First part, quadrilaterals, which is something that has a shape that has 4 sides. So a quadrilateral can be any of these parallelograms, rectangle, square, rhombus, or trapezoid, or a kite. But trapezoids and kites are separate from parallelograms. And this is where my shape, the square, comes into play. A square can be both a rhombus, and a square could also be a rectangle. But a rectangle cannot be a square. A rhombus cannot be a square. Square can be one of those, but a square is always a square. So, that's it in a nutshell.